Do you want to pass your Form 4 mathematics examinations this year? If so, let me help you to do that. In this video, which is part of a video series, I will be answering different examination questions from different topics pertaining to Form 4 mathematics. I will be helping you to make sure that you pass with flying colors. So I urge you to subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified of new video releases. This is going to be very helpful to you. Also, comment below this video, like this video, share it with your fellow students. Education is the key. Enjoy.
Hi, this is Teacher Todd. In this lesson, I will be teaching you how to answer Form 4 Mathematics examination on the subject of geometrical construction. So here is the question. Use ruler and compasses only for all constructions and show all construction lines and arcs. There are two important things to note here. The first one is use ruler and compasses only for all constructions, right? The second one is show all construction lines in arcs. Please, you have to do that. Otherwise, you lose marks. Take note of those two important points. So the question is as follows. A1, construct on a single diagram quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 8 centimeters, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, angle BCD is equal to 120 degrees, BC is equal to 10 centimeters, and CD is equal to 5 centimeters. A2, construct the locus of points equidistant from B and C. A3, construct the locus of points equidistant from DC and DA. Then we've got B1, mark and label the point P which is equidistant from B and C and equidistant from DC and DA. B2, draw a circle with center P and radius PC. B3, measure and write down the length of PC. We will now go to the construction sheet and we will be referring to these questions as we proceed.
Now we will need to draw a horizontal line first. Just a straight horizontal line. We are told that AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is 10 centimeters, CD is equal to 5 centimeters. So we use the longest side, which is BC, as the base of the quadrilateral. So what you do now is to measure 10 centimeters. So let's use centimeters to make it easier. So mark out 10 centimeters. So this is point C and this is point B. We are told that ABC is equal to 90 degrees, which means there's an angle of 90 degrees here, and A is vertically above B because there's a 90-degree angle. So we need to mark out an angle of 90 degrees, and we are going to use a compass. So to mark out 90 degrees, come here at point B. Now draw an arc here. Without changing this distance, we come here. Make an arc. We come here. Make an arc. another one there, come to here, make another arc. So the line has to pass through point B and that intersection of the arcs at the top there. So we now know that our point A is along this line, and we are told that AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So we can simply measure 8 centimeters using our ruler, or we can use the compass and ruler to measure the 8 centimeters. Here is our point. So this is point A. Then we are told that angle BCD is equal to 120 degrees. So we know that D is somewhere here, but we are given that BCD is 120 degrees, which is an obtuse angle. So it means B has to be somewhere here. But in order for us to draw 120 degrees, what we can simply do is to draw 60 degrees first. And we know that 60 from 180 is equal to 120. So we will mark out 60 degrees. We use our compass to put it at point C. Draw out a curve. Without changing the distance, we come here. Mark out. So the line which passes from point C via this intersection gives us the angle of 60 degrees or 120 degrees in other words. So we come here, draw a line, right? We are also told that CD is equal to 5 centimeters. So we can mark out 5 centimeters. We come here. It's 5 centimeters. So put our compass here. Mark it out. So this is point D. We are going to be line AD. So that is going to be line AD. Right. Now we go to part. We have finished drawing the quadrilateral ABCD. Now we go to part part A2. We want to draw the locus of points equidistant from B and C. Equidistant from B and C, which means those points have to be equally from B and equally from C. So basically it's a straight line which bisects B and C. So how to draw the bisector? We put the compass here, stretch it out to more than half the distance BC, right? Draw an arc at the bottom and draw an arc at the top. Put the compass at point B without changing the distance which will stretch out the compass. We draw an arc there, another arc there. So we take our ruler and draw the bisector which passes through these intersections. So this is the line of points equidistant from B and C. We go to A3, the locus of points equidistant from DC and DA. This is DC, this is DA. So the locus of point equidistant from DC and DA has to be the line which passes through the center of this angle, So we are bisecting this angle to guide the locus of those points. So we put our compass here at point D. Draw an arc there, draw an arc there. We come here. Draw an arc there. We pull the canvas leg here without changing the distance and draw another arc there. So the bisector will be a line which passes through this intersection, originating from point D. Right. So this is the locus of points equidistant from DC and DA. We go to B2. Mark and label the point P, which is equidistant from B and C and equidistant from DC and DA. We see that points equidistant from B and C are on this line. Those points equidistant from DC and DA are along this line. But for those points which are equidistant from B and C and also equidistant from line DC and line DA are here at the intersection of these two lines. So this is going to be point P, right? Draw a circle. We are now going to B2, question B2. Draw a circle with center P and radius PC. So we are saying the center will be P there and it will stretch out to point C. So this will be the radius of the circle. So we can now draw the circle. There we go. Measure and write down the length of PC. So PC is the distance from here to there. So we've already opened our canvas that distance. So just come here and measure it, which is 5 centimeters. So PC is equal to 5 centimeters. This brings us to the end of our lesson. Please subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified of future videos. Comment below this video, share this video, like this video. Education is the key. Thank you.